Hello everyone, welcome to Post to Profits. I do want to thank you for purchasing our services. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your account. The first thing you want to do is, if this is the first time that you are seeing this page, what you want to do is you want to click on sign up, and then you use the username that you currently use with the system, use a password, your email, and you click on create new account. What's going to happen next is you're not going to be able to log in until the admin activates your account. What we're going to do is we're going to review the account, make sure that you are a paid member. Once we have activated your account, you can go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to see two error messages that says no Facebook account available and no application has been selected. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, go to Facebook accounts, click over here where it says add update Facebook account, and then you want to click on authenticate the app, and it's going to say successful, and it's going to give you a security warning. Just click the X. What you want to do now is you want to highlight this URL here, right click, copy, come back over here, right click, paste and go. You're going to see all these bunch of numbers here and everything like that. What you want to do next is you want to highlight the entire URL, everything. Right click, copy, come back over here, go to the first box right here, right click and paste. And then you're going to see there's another additional code that was added on the second box. Just click add Facebook account. After that, it's going to say Facebook account has been saved and updated successfully. You click close, and then you click on save changes. After that is done, you're going to see that your Facebook ID is right here, and you have your first name, last name. Also, your picture will appear right here as well. Just in case, if it says 500 groups right here, you're going to see it says maximum groups to import. 500 groups, you could change it to 1,000. In case you change this, you're going to have to do this again to update it, because currently, if it's a default of 500, the system is only going to import 500 groups from your profile. But if you have more than that, you can change this up to 2,000. You're going to have to update it again, do this whole thing again real quick and just update it, and then you're set to go. You're going to have to do that same process over and over again if you are adding more groups to your list, just to let you know, because it needs to be updated and your token needs to be refreshed. Okay, so after that is done, you can go over here to Poster Profits logo, and you just scroll all the way down, and you're going to see all of your groups. So currently you're going to see right now that I have about 359 groups. Once again, if I do add some more groups, I have to do the token process again just to refresh the entire group. So I'm just going to go through over the basics real quick, just to go over this with you, because there's some videos below this video in the training area and the members area, which will show you exactly what I'm talking about and how things work. First thing you want to do, of course, is this is a regular message page. Basic stuff. It's a message you send out with links or anything. No pictures, no videos, no nothing. The majority of everybody don't really use this one. The majority of everybody uses the link one, which you can set up your message here. You can post your referral link, referral link, anything here. You can upload a photo. You can see like you already have photos already saved. You can right click and upload files, and then you can go ahead and upload your picture of whichever you want to use, because this can become a clickable picture. When you put your link here, you upload your photo, this becomes a linkable image, and then you can go ahead and type any message, whichever you want, and you're good to go. Okay, you don't really have to put anything down here in the description. It's very important that you set the intervals from 120 and up. If you guys don't know what an interval is, it's the amount of time between posts. Okay, it's very important that you don't put it at a short time, because then Facebook is going to put you in Facebook jail, and I don't know how long they're going to put you in Facebook jail. But the issue with this is that we want you to be Facebook safe, and that's why we have our training to let you guys know that do not put it less than 120 seconds, and also do not post more than 50 groups a day. Now you can post more than 50 groups a day, you can, that's up to you. But my recommendation is not to post more than 50 groups a day. Okay, and then after that, if you're going to want to schedule a post, you can see that we have a scheduler. You can just click here and select a date, you want to schedule a later time, right? You can change the time here. Just make sure that when you're doing schedule posts, you have to save your post first. Make sure that that is done. Okay. After that, don't forget to make sure to select your groups before you schedule it as well, because then it's going to give you like an error message saying that you did not. Sorry about that. It's going to give you an error message saying that it didn't go through. So that's why it's very important to save your post, just in case if the page refreshes, it doesn't disappear. Your all your work that you've done. Okay, that's why it's very important to save it first and then schedule it, and you're good to go. The other thing that I do want to mention, if you guys watch the video down below about categories, the categories is very, very important, because you have groups that you cannot be posting in, or you're in private groups, and you don't want the poster to be posting in these groups all the time. And also, you don't want to be going through each one of them one by one, making sure, okay, I can't post in here and all that. So what we have here is a categories group where you can pre-select everything where you can post, and you can save them by adding them in a category. So if I go over here, this says 50 groups, because this is what I created. You're going to see that all the 50 groups that I have are just the 50 groups that where I can post it. You see what I'm saying? So I don't have to keep selecting all these groups one by one every single time I have to post, because I already have it pre-selected, saved in these categories, and you're good to go. That saves you a lot of time. So that way you don't have to waste a lot of time selecting these groups over and over again. You notice I only have like 25 in this group anyway, so I need to add some more, another additional 25 groups. But yeah, this is just to let you guys know that you guys could save groups within a group, that way you don't have to keep doing that. And also you could put up to 5 Facebook groups in one post account. So just make sure that when you go ahead and go to settings and add a new Facebook account, you want to add a Facebook account, make sure that you are logged in at the other account. Make sure you're logged off from the current account on Facebook, and you are logged in the new account on Facebook. Okay, that way it'll be connected. Just make sure that is that. So when you're sending out the post, you have to make sure that you're currently on that current account, that you have that account on when you're sending out the posts as well. Okay, just letting you guys know that, so that way you guys can go. So yeah, so once again, you have your links, you have your images. Once again, the images is just the images. There's no links, so basically it's not going to be a clickable ad. You got to put your referral link in the message area. Video, this is not for YouTube, okay? If you do have a URL directly going to the MP4 video, that's where you put the URL right here. Now you can upload a video. The thing about it is that you cannot have it really long. It cannot be a long video. It has to be really short. Make sure that the video title doesn't have any spaces. Also, do not put any messages here. Make sure that all your messages will be in the video description. Okay, so instead of you typing the referral link or whatever message you want to put here, make sure that all that is in the video description, and leave this blank, and you send that out. If you have any issues, you just go ahead and contact us, and we can help you out as well. Other than that, if you want to use a video for YouTube, you're going to want to go to the link, and you're going to have to post the URL of that YouTube video here. This also works with Facebook videos as well. Also works with Facebook live feed as well. Meaning that if you are doing a live video on Facebook, you can post that link here, and you can send it out to all the groups. That way they can go into your live streaming. That's one of the things that's really exciting about this poster, is that this could work out for you. So that is basically it for right now, as what I know. Just in case if there's anything missing, you can go ahead and contact us. But please watch the training videos down below on how to save your categories, how to stay out of Facebook jail, how to do spin tax. If you guys don't know what a spin tax is, I'll show it to you right now. What spin tax is, it's basically a code within a post which allows you to change the words in each interval. So every time when a post is being sent out, the words change. That way Facebook will not think that you are spamming the heck out of it. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna put like money, dog, cat, home, just to I mean, you just got to be smart about it. Like, because the way I see it is, if you want to say earn $1,000 a month, and then you can change the $1,000 to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or whatever within the code here, right? It changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. You can see right here it only says cat, and right here you have all these other words here: money, dog, cat, home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding stuff here just to pretend this is like an interval going out. So you're going to see it. It says money now. It says home, dog. You see how it changes? So every time when a post is being sent out, any words within the code is being changed. That way, every time when you send a message out, it's going to change. So I'll give you an example. I'm just going to type in like, I love money, right? And the next one it says, I love my dog. And then I love, see that real quick? I love my cat. And then I need a new home. All right, so now you see that. So now it says right here, it just says I love, well, that says I need a new home, right? But now when I put something new, I love my dog, I love my money, I love money, So you're going to see that every time when an interval goes out, it changes the phrases or anything you want. You see what I'm saying? So all that is being trained in the video down below just to show you guys how this works. But other than that, guys, that is basically it. So if you guys have any questions, please go ahead and contact me. Thank you very much for your purchase. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care and God bless. Bye.